Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Proptober week. So, if you don't know what Proptober is, it's technically a whole month that we just show you props in October. So, today we are looking at the Extreme Haunted Sound FX box. That is this. It comes in this nice thing. It is, I opened it already, but there's like something covering it. It has volume control, Try Me, repeat, and cycle, Try Me wire. For the longest time, I was trying to figure out what this is. I thought it was for a step pad, which one negative is about this, come on, focus, is that you can't put a step pad in here, but there is a sensor and a Try Me button. So, but this right here, if you ever wonder, is a stereo. So if this isn't loud enough, I'll put it to the loudest sound. I think that's the loudest. If that's not loud enough, you can always plug that into a stereo. So I thought this was about a 5 because, or more, because it's really cool, but the only thing is there's no step pad. And I made a mistake today. I put tape over the speaker. Don't do that, because it will come out staticky like this. It doesn't actually do that usually, but it will if you put tape over it. So it shows you what to do. It uses 3 AA batteries, so not really hard to find. But I thought it was really cool. I will go through the sounds now to show you. And that is the end. Like I said, there's a lot of sounds, and it's only staticky because I put tape on the thing, on the volume, the speaker, I mean. And it's actually really cool. I got it from Spirit. I also got the foot pad from Spirit, if you were wondering. And if you guys don't know, I'm going to be filming Proptober, in this haunted house room. You guys might remember it as the bedroom of the haunted house. But, okay, so that is the Extreme Haunted Sound FX Box 2. Happy Oktoberfest.